You want to talk about something, risque?
Risque? Let's do it.
You ready?
Yeah.
Want to talk about cables?
Oh, man. Somebody, where's that? I need some snake oil for my hair, ladies and gentlemen.
Don't say that. People get mad.
Yeah, no.
They get mad.
It's all good.
There's
all
people
good.
who watch and other reviewers that get mad when you say that.
So,
don't say.
All right.
that.
Do you want to go? Your show.
I already.
You already
I
made
a
the
video all about.
All right. So, here's the thing. I can't tell the difference with my system and swapping out a $40 cable for a $400 cable. There it is.
I thought you were gonna flip on me right now.
No.
I thought you were gonna be like, you know what?
You know what?
I'll be like, what?
I love them cables. Here's the thing. 99.99999% copper. Some sort of shielding. And me, I like braided cables because they just look cool.
Yeah.
I mean, other than that, I'm not sure. Okay, I know, silver is a better conductor than copper.
Right.
So the more silver you have in the cable, the better conductive element there is. So in theory, you would get a better sound.
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't hear that. So
I was just thinking about something on the way over here.
Yeah, what's that?
And I was like, all right, so all these people, if I were to ask them, do you think it would make a difference if you had this expensive cable and I just added a little bit of just my own cable at the end? Would that make it? Would you be okay with that? They'd probably say no, right?
Yeah.
But if you open up one of these speakers, what kind of cable is probably in there? I've opened up some of these speakers and they look pretty ordinary.
Yeah, like Radio Shack style.
So, what are we talking about?
I mean, there are some really cool looking cables, and I myself, I'm really into Audis, and I really like that R8, and if I was to get one, I don't like the wheels, but I would probably go with some HRE wheels, right? Because they're quality. I know the brand. They make some awesome designs, and they look really cool.
How much are those?
And they're going to be about $8,000 to $10,000.
So it's not that you're cheap. It's not that you're cheap and you just don't like to spend on cables. You're down to spend if it makes a difference.
Right. Well, I mean, if we're talking wheels on a car, it's not really going to make it go faster.
Just for looks.
It's just for looks. Yeah. So if I had a system that was like $60,000, maybe I'll spend a couple thousand on cables. So I think maybe it's just like a relative scale to what your system is.
Right.
If I have two speakers that are $600 each, $1,200, maybe I'll spend $50 on cables.
So you're not throwing the HREs on a beater?
No, I'm not putting that on a '87 Toyota Accord. No offense.
Toyota Accord.
Oh, that was great.